Crazy Creative Kitchen. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vibe. Today I'm gonna do on my series of stay home recipes. So we still can't leave the house, so today I'm gonna go with a popular Chinese recipe. Today we're gonna make chicken lo mein, and we're gonna try to make it with the stuff that's in your refrigerator, in your pantry, and as always we're gonna get fantastic results. So without further ado, what we're doing now, we're cutting up onions, scallions, pepper, cabbage, some carrots, and a little bit of pop choy. And then I'm gonna cut up some chicken thighs and some chicken tenders. So we're gonna use a mixture of chicken thighs and chicken tenders. And stay, as always, stay for the end of the video, and I'm gonna give you that secret that the Chinese use. So for this recipe, you're gonna need a little black pepper, a little chicken spice, and ginger. You're gonna use soy sauce, you're gonna use some soy sauce, and I'm gonna put some sesame seed oil in mine. You don't have to put sesame seed oil in yours if you don't have it, because we're trying to use the stuff that's in our house. So I cut up my carrots, cut up all my vegetables. Now I'm gonna chop up my chicken. I mean, your chicken, you don't have to cut it in any form or shape. You can just do whatever you want with your chicken. So I'm gonna cut up my chicken. I'm gonna add some ginger powder, some chicken spice, and some ground black pepper to my chicken. And then I'm gonna blanch off my vegetables. So the key thing when you make lo mein is you don't wanna directly cook the vegetables. You want to blanch off your vegetables, so you want to start the cooking process, stop it with some ice water, and then that's what's gonna give you that look. So when you go to the Chinese place, this is what they do. They put it in hot water and then they cool them off in ice water, so they stop the cooking process. So when they cook it again, you still get that fresh look. So that's why the peppers are so green, and the red peppers are so green, and the peas is so green, and the carrot keeps its color. So this is what we're doing now, is we're blanching off the vegetables, and this takes 2-3 minutes. Once you put them in hot boiling water, give them a little mix, they're good to go. Then all you gotta do is make sure in your sink you have ice water ready. So once you have your ice water ready, just drain off your hot water. Or what you could do is use a china cap or a strainer if you have one, and then you just add it to your ice water and cool them off. Then you're gonna get ready to cook your chicken. So what you wanna do is you wanna brown your chicken in a little bit of oil. So you brown your chicken in a little bit of oil, and then we're gonna add our vegetable. And don't forget, hit that thumbs up button, watch till the end, because at the end I'm gonna give you that thing that the Chinese use to make their lo mein that good, that you keep going back all the time. So now we have our heated pan, so we're gonna add our chicken. So we add our chicken thighs and our chicken tenders. As I said, you could cut your chicken up however you like, it doesn't matter. It's all gonna get mixed in at the end. So we add our chicken, we're gonna brown them off, keep stirring them up, keep stir them up. Once they're brown, we're gonna add our vegetables. Then we're gonna add our soy sauce, and I'm gonna add my sesame oil. You can add whatever you want. You could put a little fresh ginger in there. You could put some frozen mixed vegetables in there. You could do whatever you want. But this is just me giving you the concept on how to make it. So our chicken is brown and ready. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add the vegetables. And if you notice how colorful the vegetables are, and if you look at the end, you'll see how colorful the vegetables remain. So what I did previously is I cooked off some thin spaghetti. So that's what we're gonna use for our noodles, because you have to remember we're using the stuff that's in our house. So I'm adding my soy sauce. The soy sauce gives it that salty taste when you go to the Chinese. This is my ground ginger. Adding some more ground ginger, because for some reason ginger and soy sauce gives that vibe. So we're gonna add more ginger. So we're gonna mix that. Then we're gonna start adding the sauce. So after we mixed all that, now we're gonna add that Chinese secret sauce. So the Chinese secret sauce is teriyaki sauce, but not flavored teriyaki sauce or teriyaki sauce with the seeds, just plain teriyaki sauce. So teriyaki sauce is gonna give it that Chinese taste. It's gonna give it the Chinese look, and it's gonna just give you that vibe. So now we're gonna add it a little bit at a time, so we don't add too much. So we've added a little teriyaki sauce. We're gonna mix it up with our thing, and then we're gonna add our noodles and then add more sauce. So see, now it's all looking fantastic. So let's add our noodles to it, and then we'll add more sauce. Then you'll see how we get that vibe. Then we're gonna just turn our flame up. So as soon as we turn our flame up, it's just gonna make our sauce get a little thick, and then we're good. So we added our thin spaghetti. We're gonna mix that up. Then we're gonna add more sauce. Add the rest of our sauce. And if you notice, our vegetables still keeps that nice color. And the key is to have the vegetables remain with that nice color. So as always, drop me a comment. Let me know what you think about the stay home series of recipes. Let me know if you tried it and how good was the recipe. And as always, crazy creative kitchen is a vibe. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.